with Mother Time. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you on a spring home tour, showing you around my entryway, living room, dining room, and kitchen, showing you how I have it decorated now and the little touches of spring I have decorated throughout. I cannot wait to show you around, so stay tuned. I'm also really excited to announce that I have launched my first collection with Tattered Tulip, my favorite shop here in the Western New York area. I've talked about them here for years. I've even taken you on Shop With Me's, and many of you guys have asked how you can get a little piece of Tattered Tulip in your home. Well, the wait is over. I've launched an online collection with them, and I will include a link for that in the description below. I cannot wait for you guys to check it out so you can get these items in your home as well. And if you are new here to my channel, again, welcome. I love sharing home decor, cooking, and DIY here on my channel. So if those are videos you enjoy watching, click that subscribe button below so you never miss a video. Okay, you guys, you know what time it is. Grab yourself a hot cup of coffee or hot tea, sit back, relax, and let the spring tour begin. Welcome again to my 2023 spring home tour. The tour begins out here on my front porch where I have these beautiful baskets filled with tulips hung. And now we are headed into the front entryway where I have little touches of spring decorated throughout. I wanted to keep everything simple and neutral. This vintage cow pasture print is one of my favorites and is actually a digital download that you can get in my print shop, and I'll include a link for it in the description below. This print comes in 7 sizes, including this large 24 by 36. I have it printed at Walgreens as a poster, and I frame it in this beautiful frame that I get at Michael's. I'll include a link for the frame as well in the description below. One of the new additions in the entryway are these beautiful lantern sconces. I absolutely love them. I actually have another set in the living room that you'll see here in just a few minutes. They are from Hobby Lobby. Next, we are heading into the living room. It is a beautiful sunny day. We've actually had a great stretch of weather here. I live about 30 minutes south of Buffalo, New York. So here in April, it sometimes can be cold and rainy, but we've had such beautiful weather. And I'm so thankful for this beautiful sunny day and the way the sun is shining through. And in the living room, I kept everything very simple and neutral for a very homey and cozy look. And this little cozy sitting area with the wicker chairs, I actually set up last year and is still one of my favorite spots to sit and relax. This is the newest addition to the living room, and I absolutely love it. I love this beautiful tapestry along with these hanging lanterns, both from Hobby Lobby, and I love how it fills this space. And you could probably tell I love decorating with flameless candles. They are my favorite, and it's just one way to make my home feel cozy and homey. And I hope this tour today is giving you some ideas and inspiration for your home as well. And one of my most important things I always like to say is to shop your home and find decor pieces in different rooms and put it and swap it out. You don't always have to buy new decor to make your home feel fresh and new. This antique duck decoy is one of my favorite antique finds. I got it last year at a local antique store and got an amazing price on it. And I love the way it looks here on the coffee table. Next, we are heading into the kitchen, and the first stop is this beautiful lilac arrangement. These lilacs are absolutely gorgeous and so beautiful for spring. And the best part is they are faux lilacs. Can you believe it? They are the most realistic faux lilacs I've ever seen. And the best part is they will last you all season and you don't need to water them. These are actually part of the Tattered Tulip collection, and I'll include a link for them in the description below. I am still in love with the open shelving that I now have above my coffee bar. I recently took the doors off these cabinets, and now I have all of this open shelving to decorate, and I just love having this to display some of my favorite pieces as well as seasonal decor. And next up, we are heading into my favorite room of the home to decorate, which is the dining room. I love how homey and cozy the dining room is, and a lot of these pieces that are on the centerpiece, including the baby's grass, the pitcher, even the wicker tray, are all included in my Tattered Tulip collection, and I'll include a link for those pieces in the description below. And one of the newest additions in my dining room are these beautiful corbels and shelf. I absolutely love how it just transformed the space. Previously, I had the cow pasture print hung here, and now I have this beautiful shelf to decorate seasonally, and I just love the way it looks in here. I hope that you've enjoyed sitting back and relaxing and enjoying my spring home tour with a hot cup of coffee or tea. Okay guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and let me know in the comments below what you enjoyed the most. And for daily decor and DIY inspo and lots of behind the scenes and stories, make sure you're following me over on my Facebook or Instagram page at Mother Time. Thank you so much for spending time with me here today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.